Well, it was hard to beat last year's proposal on the rooftop. The 2012 Tow Trucks for Tots has been a great event. The weather turned out great. The rain held off. We have a lot of participants this year. I think it's a great event. What more could you ask for today?
December day when we touched the ground in JFK. Snow was melting on the ground. BLS, I heard the sound of an angel. New York like a Christmas tree.
On behalf of the professional towing and operators of Illinois, we have a little gift for you. It's an award of appreciation that says, if I can see, it says, award of appreciation presented to Pat Weiner for your tireless effort with the Tow Trucks for Tots Parade that helps give children a merrier Christmas, and for your dedication to the towing industry in Illinois. Our eternal thanks to professional towing and recovery operators of Illinois. He's worked so hard for this parade. Thank you.